it would appear that the thing that has been lurking on the far side of the horizon has finally reared up and showed itself. YouTube layout changes. So-called improved YouTube is here. Click to learn more. Already did that. Over here, zoomed all the way in so it's easier to see with the camera just pointed at the screen. Don't have any fancy screen capture software installed, though I probably should. Alright, YouTube is getting better. Let's see. Okay, subscribe button looks different. Blah 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 blah. You've read that. There's that. New look and feel, of course. Can't be happy with some behind the scenes changes. Needs to really switch things up. Video always comes first. Gets out of the way and lets content truly shine. So new video page layout with the title on the bottom. Take a closer look at that later. New guide to YouTube. So just channel guide helping to find new channels. Take a look there. I'll see if, check that out later, see if there's anything of use. And then subscriptions. I'll have a different update, new activity marking there. Alright, so that's what they said they've changed for the better. Let's take a look. Oh hey, I just got a new message sent from my friend Shoko. She sent me something with 0 and 1 art. Let's see what happens there. She also sent me a test comment for testing purposes. And let us go over to what my channel page now looks like. Alright, let us refresh just to make sure. Alright. First impressions. It defaults to the What to Watch tab, which appears to be a mix of uploads from subscriptions, likes from subscriptions, comments from subscriptions, and what's this? A recommended. Alright. Zero Punctuation. I've watched exactly 2 of those in the last few days or so. Let's see, more stuff. Another. That's odd. Another one that I did watch. Already watched. Why is it there? I don't know. Keep going. Oh look. 7 hours, 1 day, 3 hours, 1 hour, another Zero Punctuation, 1 hour, 2 days. Going up. 1 day, 2 days, 1 hour, 14 hours, 18 hours, 2 days, 12 hours, blah blah blah, 19 hours. So, not exactly chronological order. Going over here, where there used to be a nice big bold print new appearance of a messages or comments indicator, that appears to have been replaced with a single messages indicator, which says 1 message. That is not really, well, it's not showing the comment. And I know I have at least 1 new comment that Shoko just sent. So, there's that. Let's take a look at my inbox. Open a new tab. Click over. Alright, take a look. The inbox has 3 items. 1 personal message, the testing that Shoko sent, and spam! Daw. Spam in 0 and 1 binary art. Now, for the rest of the things, we have the overall inbox, we have that message, we have this message from It's Dglad 4, and then we also have Shoko's message. Neither this message here or Shoko's message showed up on the home page where it said I had new messages. Nah, that's not exactly an improvement, because unless I'm doing testing, I rarely get personal messages. I'm mostly dealing with comments, so that's a bit of a minor annoyance. Next up, the Uploads Video Manager. Let us see what has happened here. Alright. Overall, doesn't look vastly different. She's got the same, like, checkbox, view, whatever. Same list of stuff here, like dashboard, that sort of stuff. All of these things seem to work. Something to note, this could just be a function of my internet tonight, but I am wired into Ethernet, and the download speed at university here is quite good. So I do notice it's a significantly longer delay between actually clicking on one of these tabs and it loading. So they've changed how that actually is loaded. Alright, here is the video page. As the little preview highlights thing over here said and showed, the video page is now having the title and all video info set up at the bottom. So there's, besides this up here because it's my channel I'm logged into, will be nothing at the top except the video, so less cluttered up there. Title down there. Ooh, I do like this. The channel has a tiny bit more info. It says the channel name bigger, shows the channel, I guess, profile pic, and it has the number of videos in the channel, which that goes to, that links right to all of my uploads, so that is actually kind of nice. Now, the like and dislike, those have moved, but that's cosmetic, those will still function. About, share, add to, flag, statistics, cosmetic, not functional changes. Published date, here, is now bold and slightly larger font. Before it was just a little ghostly text down here. Can tell easier when the video was first actually published. And they've just sort of changed the formatting of the paragraph here a bit, but not by much. And say I wanted to get to uploads only from my subscriptions. If I were to just open a new YouTube tab, there is the what to watch, as I explained earlier. I want uploads only subscriptions. One click, wait for that to load. This defaults to all activity. Well, before there was a little checkbox to show uploads only where it would remember what you had selected. You can choose uploads only, but if you say reload the page entirely, or open a new page, back to what to watch, back to subscriptions, and it defaults to the all activity. So, that's a little bit inconvenient, especially if I'm refreshing the page a lot, just surfing around. Feel free to fill in other stuff you've noticed in the comments and discuss. And sorry for the long, rambling, complaining video. Thanks for watching.